Your pet is getting sick and nothing seems to do the trick. There's only one thing left that you can do. There's a special man who'll help to pull him through. Fetch the vet! When Tom Fetch comes with his bag, all the tails begin to wag. He's the village vet and friend to one and all. If you need him, all you have to do is call. Fetch the vet! Come along to Darker's village and join the fun.
Fetch the vet! Fetch the vet! Fetch the vet!
He's just the best friend you can get.
Call Tom Fetch the vet!
Look, Pippa, it's a picture of Columbus. Parrot, greatly reduced. Quick sale wanted. No! Looks like Columbus won't be here much longer. Come on, let's see Mr. Froggatt.
Come down, Columbus. Hurry, Columbus, please. Give me those.
Hello, Mr. Froggatt.
Hello, children.
Mr. Froggatt, you can't sell him. You can't sell Columbus.
Shh. He doesn't know.
The shop just wouldn't be the same without him.
This is a pet shop, Pippa. Columbus is here to be sold. Oh, the truth is, I just can't take it any longer, Pippa.
Oh,
Do you know, yesterday he called Miss Blush Big Bottom.
Big Bottom!
See? Oh, he's just got to go. I'm sorry, but that's the end of it.
We can't just let Columbus be sold. Let's ask Mr. Fetch to help. But he can only help animals that aren't well. He wouldn't be able to help poor Columbus. Would he?
Well, I'd really miss Columbus, I must say.
That shop without Columbus, it's just unthinkable.
What we need is someone who's not very nice to pretend to buy Columbus, and that might make Lionel change his mind.
Hire an actor, you mean?
It might work.
But why hire an actor? Over here, girls.
What are you lot tittering about?
Pass me some of that, will you, Pippa? Now, I'll just put that here. Not bad at all. Now, what else? Oh, yes, one of my earrings, please. All done. Pretty good, don't you think, girls?
I'd hate any of my patients to see me like this.
Don't worry, Mr. Fetch. They won't even recognise you.
Just need these to finish off. And if I could borrow your baseball cap, Pippa. There.
You're cool. Way cool, Mr. Fetch.
Sleepy eyes, Columbus. Sleep. There. Oh, at last. Oh, now to get on with some tidying.
Lionel, you darling man!
Please, Miss Black. No, you've woken him.
I've just seen the sign in the window.
At last, you're getting rid of it.
Are you absolutely sure about this, Carla?
Oh, you'll be fine, Tom. Come on.
Yes, you can do it, Mr. Fetch. Come on!
Without that parrot, Lionel, this could be such a smart little shop.
I know, but please, Miss Blush, please keep your voice down.
Hi there. Who's the big shot around here?
Big shot?
Yeah, the guy that owns the shop. I mean the store.
Oh, yeah, that's me.
Hi, buddy. Larry J. Tiger, movie director.
Movie director.
It's working.
Tiger Films. We're making a big movie in the next village, and, well, we're kind of looking to buy a parrot.
I'm Violet Blush, the writer. I'm sure you've heard of me.
I don't believe I have, ma'am.
You could make a movie out of one of my love stories. And if you like, as a special treat, I could play the heroine. And maybe you could get that nice young man who was in the Titanic to star with me. Oh, what was his name? Leonardo da Vinci.
No, I ain't making a love story, ma'am. I'm making more a horror thing. And you could be the lead in that.
You are.
I said, love stories ain't exactly my, cookie.
Horror movie, indeed. Who ever heard of a horror movie with a parrot in it?
Yeah, little buddy, you're just what we're looking for.
Oh, really?
And I'll tell you what, old-timer, your bird's gonna love being in the films. I mean the movies. He'll get his own cage, of course. And I'll tell you something else. He's just gonna love the fight scene with the giant crow.
The giant what?
Giant crow. Big stabbing, claws scratching, feathers flying everywhere.
But Columbus is very proud of his feathers, and he's never actually been in a cage, have you, Oh, no, he's gone! Oh, now look what you've done! Oh, calamity! Columbus! Oh, the window. No.
Oh,
Oh, dear, oh, dear. Oh, dear. Come down, Columbus! Come down! Please come down.
This has all gone wrong. It's going to get dark soon, and it will be far too cold for a tropical bird. What can we do?
we usually fetch the vet.
Yes. And that's what you should do now. Pretend to go and fetch the vet, Pippa. I have a plan.
Look, buddy, are you selling me that stupid bird or not?
I wouldn't sell that bird to you for all the tea in China.
Well, that's swell. That's just swell, buddy.
Then I'm not your buddy. Oh, what am I going to do, Cara? Columbus won't come down.
Don't worry, Lionel. The girls have gone for Mr. Fetch.
Oh, yes, of course. Fetch will think of something. I know. Look, Columbus. The poster. Look. I'm tearing it up. I'm not selling you. Please come down.
Mr. Fetch is on his way, Cara.
Good. Everything will be all right then.
Look, Columbus is flying away.
No, he isn't, Lucy. He's coming down.
Oh, Columbus! Oh, I'm so glad you're back.
Hello, Lionel. Pippa tells me you need my help.
Oh, no, not at all, Fetch, not at all. I've sorted all this out myself, haven't I, Columbus? Yes. You see, Fetch, sometimes we can manage without you.
Sure you can, Lionel, buddy.
Huh?